Michael Albert, born in 1966, is a pop art collage artist. He's best known for transforming everyday images and household items into complex and engaging collages. While attending business school in New York, he visited many museums and was greatly influenced by the work of Van Gogh, Matisse, Monet, Seurat, Cézanne, and Picasso. He started creating art during this time as well, drawing a montage of commercial products and personal items found in his dorm room. In the 1990s, he developed a style of collage that he called Cerealism. This involved cutting up cereal boxes into a variety of shapes and fragments and putting them back together in creative ways. Beyond cereal boxes, he continued to explore collage using images from popular products and brands, and even made collages using paper money. If you're new to my channel, please support me by subscribing and be sure to check out all of the other amazing art videos, art lessons, and art tutorials on my channel, Rainbow Parrot Art.